Okay, let's move to this one. It's very beautiful. And let's check the details about this one. You can see the main frame and the inner. We use the iron frame with spray painting process, and we use the PP to wrap it on the surface of the iron frame. So in the top part, yes, you can see the very beautiful hand weaving process. You can put the flower into it. This one is very sturdy. So I will measure the size. Top diameter 30 centimeters. Height for this one 47. So if you think the size is too large, we can shrink it for this one. It's very beautiful.